Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So for today's video, I'm going to be running through some new skincare that I've been trying out. So this is from a company called Hey Bud. They are an Australian based company, and these are all skincare products that are packed with hemp seed oil, which is actually known for soothing and calming the skin. So a great one if you're looking to rebalance the skin or just protect it against any environmental stresses in general. So in the bundle that I have, we get the cleanser, we also get the mask, which comes with a free mask brush. We also get the serum and the moisturizer. So we've got a full kind of skincare range here. Of course, if you want to, you can also buy these individually. So we're going to start off with the cleanser. So this is Hit Refresh Hemp Gel Cleanser. Gently cleanses and reduces excess oils. It's packed with hemp, green tea, salicylic acid, betaine. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and of course the packaging is also recyclable as well. So with this one, we're going to take 1 to 2 pumps, really nice pump as well, by the way, and then just using a small amount of water, I'm just going to lather this up over my skin before rinsing it off with some warm water. So this says it's a cleanser that does more than just wash the day away. It's infused with hemp seed oil, which can help balance oil levels and provides a deeper clean. Hemp is also bursting with essential nutrients that assist with calming and balancing your skin and won't leave your face feeling sticky or greasy. I couldn't agree more with that actually. It actually leaves it feeling so soft and just really clean. So as with all of the skincare products, as I mentioned before, the main ingredient is the hemp seed oil. However, they do all have extra ingredients in them as well. Each product contains something different. So going with the cleanser that I've just used, this one has green tea, which possesses potent antioxidant and skin soothing properties, salicylic acid, which I love, exfoliates for a smooth finish. As I said, it does leave it feeling really smooth. And betaine, a mighty amino acid, provides hydration, has a calming effect and creates the appearance of brighter, even complexion. And again, I do kind of feel like it leaves your skin looking really even. I have rosacea and it certainly doesn't bring out my redness at all. So the next step is the mask. So this one is the Hey Bud Clear as Clay Hemp Clay Mask. Draws out impurities, clears and brightens. So as I say, this one also comes with a free mask brush, which is really nice quality actually. It also contains hemp, kaolin, avocado oil, goji extract, is vegan, cruelty-free, and again, recyclable packaging. So this one says it's the ultimate skin saviour, fueled by the power of hemp seed oil, which can help relieve skin, draw out impurities, and give you a glow like no other, minus the greasy finish. So as I say, these also contain extra ingredients as well. So the mask is also jam-packed with extra goodness to enhance the benefits of the hemp seed oil. It says kaolin, avocado and goji will take your skin from blah to boiling by hydrating, detoxifying, restoring and balancing oil levels in problematic areas. So my problematic areas are definitely my T-zone area. I also get some dry patches around here and around here. So I didn't put too much on those areas because they're extremely sensitive, but I will concentrate the other products on those. So as I say, sort of round here, down my nose, on my chin, and I also get this little patch here that tends to be sort of the time in the month. It just has a little kind of breakout, so I've just put it over there as well. I'm going to leave that on for the next kind of 10 to 15 minutes and we'll see how we're getting on. Okay, so it has been about 20 minutes, I'd say. I did put it on quite thick though. It's still not quite dry here, and it has cracked because the postman came and I laughed. So yeah, but I'm now going to rinse it off and we'll see how we're getting on. But if I give you a close up so we can see where it's all dried, nice and firm. So it has actually left my skin feeling amazing. Again, hasn't triggered my rosacea at all, which is a massive bonus for me. So yeah, it's I would say it's quite good for sensitive skin in that case. Come up nice and close for you, or as close as I can without it getting blurry, but we can see it's kind of, I would say it's evened things out a bit with regards to my redness and hyperpigmentation. It's not quite as visible. But yeah, and it also looks quite kind of mattified on my skin as well, but without it feeling too dry or anything. It feels really lovely. It feels smooth and soft. So step 3, we are going to take the serum. So this one is the Smooth It Over 10% niacinamide and hemp serum. Balances oil levels and improves skin texture. It contains hemp, niacinamide, ferulic acid, licorice extract, and again is vegan and cruelty free. So it says this serum will help you get on your skin's good side again. It's packed with powerful hemp seed oil that helps calm, soothe and protect the skin against environmental stresses. So along with the hemp seed oil, they've added a few extra goodies into this skin boosting serum. So we've got niacinamide to help support the skin's natural barrier and improve texture. Ferulic acid is an amazing antioxidant that helps defend skin from the signs of sun damage and improve stability and efficiency of other antioxidants. So again, taking 1 to 2 pumps of this and popping this onto my face. It feels really nice. It feels kind of like almost a bit like a primer, which makes me wonder if this would be really nice, you know, underneath your makeup, because you're going to be getting the benefits of the skincare ingredients, but also working well as a primer. I forgot to mention actually the mask and the cleanser and this, to be honest, everything hasn't stung at all. Sometimes the reason I mention the mask is because sometimes I find that with clay masks with varying ingredients, they can sometimes feel a bit stingy when I first put them on, whereas that one didn't at all. Not from start to finish. It just felt, you know, absolutely fine. I'm just going to take a tiny bit more just for my neck. I've got a burn on my finger. I won't show it because I know some people are squeamish, but yeah, it's a bit stingy. I was cooking an Easter roast dinner. So yeah, it feels, as I say, beautiful on the skin. It feels kind of like quite plumping as well. That's probably the niacinamide. But yeah, it feels beautiful and bouncy. I just love the texture of it as well. It feels kind of like almost velvety smooth. But yeah, again, you know, hasn't irritated, no redness or anything. Absolutely love that. Such a beautiful product. And then last but certainly not least, we are going to take the moisturizer. So this one is the Get Hydrated Hemp Gel Moisturizer. Deeply hydrates and calms the skin. So it contains hemp, aloe vera, I think it's cutie biome, pentavitin, and is vegan and cruelty free. A lush yet lightweight moisturizer enriched with hemp seed oil, which helps increase hydration and protect your skin's natural barrier. The best part about this powerful ingredient is that it won't leave your skin feeling clogged or greasy, and it's fast absorbing, so you can lather on without needing to wait for an hour for it to soak in. Perfect. So it says, get high on these skin-loving goodies. Aloe vera helps calm skin, protect and hydrate. Pentavitin works to smooth, plump and maintain your skin's natural moisture barrier. Cutie Biome CLR is amazing at making existing blemishes less visible and helps balance oil levels so you can shine for all the right reasons. So yeah, I would say this one definitely feels very kind of, you know, lightweight. I put quite a lot of moisturiser on, so I would say I've probably taken about 7 pumps in total. As I said earlier, I do tend to get quite dry skin in areas, so I do like to kind of slather on the moisturiser. Just go ahead and massage that in. Again, it feels so nice. These products feel really, really nice quality. They really do. Oh, it smells really nice. What's it remind me of? It smells a bit citrusy. Yeah, it's got grapefruit seed extract in it. So yeah, definitely smell that kind of a citrus sort of smell. And cucumber as well, which I can smell. Yeah. Yeah, and it absorbs, like it says, you know, it absorbs really quick into the skin. Again, I would say this feels like a perfect morning moisturiser to go underneath your makeup as well. And with it absorbing so quickly, you know, you're not going to have to sit and wait for your skincare to, you know, completely soak in before so that you get any pilling or anything. I reckon this would be really good for that underneath. Yeah, it almost feels a bit like a serum based moisturizer, which I love. Just look at the glow that it gives. Oh, I love that. Look, it looks like I've got highlighter on. Such a beautiful glow. So yeah, there we go. I'll give you a good close up of my skin afterwards. As you can see, I've got no, I mean, these little bits of redness here, they're there anyway. But there's no actual rosacea that's come out. Sometimes, as I say, skincare can kind of irritate my skin and bring out my rosacea, which this definitely hasn't done, which is probably to do with the hemp actually, because it's quite soothing and calming. I have used hemp in products before, and yeah, I find that they actually get on really well with my skin. But yeah, just look at it. It looks so healthy and bouncy and dewy. Oh, I love it. So yeah, I would definitely say that these products are a really good kind of all-rounder. The ingredients that we've got in there, like niacinamide, is really good for all ages. Even, you know, for kind of slightly older people like myself, I would say it's a really good one for kind of like, you know, anti-aging. But then we've got other ingredients as well that are good for controlling the sebum production. So really good for people that suffer with like acne, or, you know, even just the odd breakout that you're trying to control. Yeah, as I say, really good for like an all-rounder product, I would say. So as always, I will link the products in the description box below for you, along with a discount code if I can find one as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!